All right, guys, we're going to take our first ride with the Starfish, the Ecotric Starfish. And let me tell you what I had to do. I mean, just sitting in the house, this is the seat that came with the Starfish, right? See this thing? I put one on from my jet. I sat on this thing in the house, and I'm like, that is the worst. I mean, the worst bike seat I've ever sat on. I mean, it was the most uncomfortable thing. So I said, before I even ride this thing, I'm putting that's just an old Jetson seat I had. Because when I sold my Jetson, I left the other, one of the good seats on there. So I just put, this is an old seat from a Jetson. So it works out way better than this thing. Okay, this thing is the worst of the worst. Okay, so let's go ride it. We'll ride it up the hill, see how it takes the hill, then we'll check the speeds. It's 35, which is cold. Right? Yeah, that's cold. 35. 35 is cold. All right, let's get the speedometer app going. We got this turned on already. The bell works. Let's put up the kickstand and let's take off. What speed are we in? We are in... Oh, wait a minute. No, I don't think that's speeds. That's right. This is modes. When it says mode or speed, this is modes. That means it's 3 pedal assist modes. That's what that means. So that means it'll do pedal assist 1, 2, and 3. The speed is going to always be the same for all of those modes. The throttle speed will be the same. So let's see how she takes the hill here. Now, you know this bike doesn't have any suspension on it. So I'm not pedaling at all going up the hill. So it made it. Now, the battery's not full either, so. So it made it up, no problem. Now you're going to get a little rattling with this because you know there is no suspension, so. All right, so let's get up on the hill. How's the brakes? The front brake feels real good, actually. Let me try this pedal assist. I'm just doing pedal assist number 3 going up the hill. And it's taking it. Actually, it's going faster than I can pedal, so I'm just pedaling air right now. All right. All right, so let's go over here and try the top speed test. Because you know all this, there's only going to be one speed on this thing. Those little modes aren't going to make any difference in the speed. So, but we'll put it down there in mode 1. And let's just go with it here. $17. Woo! You're looking at 17 miles an hour. Now, when I switch it up to mode 2, I don't think it's gonna make any difference. But 17's good enough. You know, that's fine. That's what my Ancheer 14 went, 17. Oh. Let me turn around here. Now this back brake is doing nothing. So that's definitely going to have to be adjusted, okay? The front brake, the one that old school stuff that's rubbing on the rim, that's actually working. But the back brake is doing nothing. Okay, let's try this mode 2 as far as speed and see if it changes any. I don't think it will, to be honest. .3, 17.1. I think that's what I was getting going the other way. Yeah. All right. All right, let's slow it down. Let's try this back brake. But just completely pulled it all the way in, nothing. It won't even hardly slow down at all. All right, let's go up to mode 3 and try the speed in mode 3. But this thing steers really nice. It's just gonna be a little bit of rattle in here going on because of this, you know, it doesn't have any suspension, so you're gonna get every rattle. But other than that, it rides real nice. And it steers real nice too. All right, let's pull the throttle all the way in. See how this works out. All right, so that's it, 17 miles an hour. So that's gonna be like your top speed, 17 and a half for a 175-pound rider. That's gonna be your top speed, which isn't bad. I mean, the bike's not that expensive, right? It's kind of a cheap bike. So yeah, good stuff. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try these modes on the pedal assist. Okay. So I'm back to mode 1 right now. Now we're gonna pedal it. Okay, so pedal assist 1 is really good if you want to get a workout, which I don't. Okay, so you can feel it in pedal assist 1. You can feel it giving it a little sip of power. Very little. Very little. Very little help there. Okay, let me go to mode 2. Okay, so now mode 2 is now when actually pedal assist is an actual thing. But then it starts running ahead of itself, you know. So now I'm just spinning my wheels right now. So pedal assist 2 is just basically like an 11-mile-an-hour speed, because you're gonna have to keep stopping. So I'm sure pedal assist 3 is gonna even be worse. So let's put that on. Mode 3. Let's try that. Oh, it just jumps right out there. Yeah. But then you're just pedaling air, so I would say, I guess if you're going to have to try to save some battery, you would go with the pedal assist 1, but it doesn't work. It doesn't give you a lot of help. Okay, so in pedal assist 1, just normal pedaling here is 8.2 miles an hour. Now that's in 4th gear, okay, because it does have the transmission here, you know, but I just left it in 4th gear for all of them. Okay, so if you want a more comfortable ride in mode 1, bring it down to 3rd. But you're not going to get much more speed. I mean, it's not going to give you much more speed. Okay, so let me go through the other do the other stuff real quick. Okay, so we got pedal assist 2. Now you were spinning your wheels. Okay, so there you go. 5th, 6th. Okay, so in 6th gear, pedal assist 2. So you can go and get a nice little cruising 12.6 miles an hour. A nice little cruising speed there in pedal assist 2. It's nice that it has the gearbox thing here, because if it didn't, this wouldn't be that good. But with the gearbox, it makes all the difference. So yeah, this pedal assist 2 in 6th gear is a nice ride. It's a nice, comfortable ride. You can pedal this thing for a long time. Probably get a lot of range out of it doing that. Yeah. All right, so that's working out pretty nice. So let's go and try what it would be like without any of the power. I'm going to turn the power off. Okay, so the power's off now. We're definitely going to have to put it down into the lower gear here. I'm 3rd. 3rd's not bad. Okay. Let me try 2nd here. Yeah, 2nd seems like you're spinning your wheels. Okay, 3rd. So yeah, so I would say between 2nd and 3rd, but you're not going to get much speed. You really need to have the this thing is nowhere close to the Ancheer 16 as far as pedaling without power. That thing so far is unbelievable how well that thing pedals without no power going. This thing, no, not so much. So let's turn the power back on. Pedal assist 1. Yeah. All right, so pedal assist 1, you want to get it like in 3rd. It's a nice easy cruise. But you're not going to get much speed, so just so you know that. All right. Okay, we did a couple of miles freezing to death, so I'll take her back in, because I got to adjust these brakes, because there's no brakes in the back at all. None, 0. Okay, but you are going to get your 17.5 miles an hour. So, you know, that's a good thing. Rides real nice at that, with that going on. Okay, so I'm gonna go put the charge back up to it. And what's nice about this is I can just take the battery out and take it upstairs, you know. But I'll put the charge to it, and we'll go out and do the 5-mile test and throttle only, and we'll see how the battery holds up. Oh, mercy. All right, guys, have a nice day.